Mate, have you ever noticed how hard it is to start anything these days? Like, I sit down to work, open my laptop, and suddenly I'm watching a guy deep fry a keyboard on YouTube.
That's not surprising, Chip. Your brain's reward system is basically a toddler with a sugar addiction.
So, my brain's a junkie?
In a way, yes. It runs on dopamine, the wanting chemical. Not pleasure, it's the stuff that keeps you chasing the next shiny thing. Every swipe, ping, or crunchy snack triggers a tiny dopamine hit.
So these are brain fuel?
More like brain sabotage. The problem is that modern life floods your brain with easy dopamine. Scrolls, notifications, snacks, everything designed to make you feel good with zero effort.
You're saying my phone is the real villain here?
Absolutely. It's hijacking your motivation. The more quick dopamine hits you get, the less interested you become in things that take effort, like learning, exercising, or, in your case, thinking.
Hey, I think all the time. Like right now, I'm thinking about how good another chip would be.
That's your dopamine talking. See, when you overstimulate it, your brain adjusts it, down-regulates. That means fewer dopamine receptors, so normal stuff starts feeling boring.
Wait, so my brain's like turning down its own volume?
Exactly. It's like cranking your phone brightness to max for so long that sunlight suddenly looks dim. The good news? You can reset it. It's called a dopamine detox.
Detox? Like Gary after that all-you-can-eat sushi night?
No, not like that. It's about removing artificial dopamine. No endless scrolling, no mindless snacking, no cheap thrills. For a few days.
You mean no phone, no memes, no cats playing drums?
Exactly. You let your brain breathe. After a few days, it starts craving real satisfaction again, like finishing a workout, learning something new, or doing actual work.
So you're saying I'll start enjoying effort?
Exactly. You rewire your brain to find joy in delayed rewards. Discipline stops feeling like punishment and starts feeling natural.
So if I survive this detox, I'll become a productivity machine?
Not immediately. You'll probably go through withdrawal first. Restless, irritable, maybe even twitchy.
Great. Can't wait to feel like Gary when he ran out of tuna.
But if you push through it, your dopamine receptors reset. Suddenly, reading a book feels rewarding again. A jog feels energizing. Even finishing a project feels like a win.
Yeah, because who doesn't dream of being excited about spreadsheets?
It's not about spreadsheets, it's about control. Right now, your brain is being hijacked by algorithms that decide what you think, feel, and crave.
So TikTok's in my head?
In a way, yes. But here's the twist. Discipline actually gives you more dopamine in the long run. When you earn something, finish a goal, learn a skill, your brain releases a stronger, longer-lasting mix of dopamine and serotonin.
So you're saying real happiness comes from trying?
From effort. Pleasure is easy. Satisfaction is earned.
All right, so what do I do first?
Step 1. Identify your biggest source of instant dopamine, probably your phone. Step 2. Ditch it for a week. Step 3. Replace cheap pleasure with something meaningful.
Like talking to you?
Let's not get crazy. But yes, maybe start there.
All right, I'll do it. 7 days. No phone, no memes, no dopamine.
I'll believe it when I see it.
You'll see, Archie. Next week, I'll be a new man. Focused, disciplined, ascended.
Or crying in the corner because you miss cat videos.
Either way, I'll be stronger for it.
And that is the beauty of neuroscience. Your brain isn't broken, it's just bored. Teach it to crave challenge instead of comfort, and you'll stop chasing dopamine and start earning it.
So basically, I'm not lazy. I'm just biologically advanced.
You're biologically ridiculous. Cheers.